to say anymore. So, this is temporary wild research facility? Okay. What? Oh my, what cool maps could I make? Check that out. But there's a key now? Yeah, Yeep just barely eats anymore. Absolutely. Oh my, there's actually doors in the game now. Amazed. Yeeps, you're the best game ever. Hey. How do I get the key though? Oh, that's so cool! Oh my, that's actually so cool! Oh. Well, if he doesn't want any, well, my friend Pano, he doesn't want any spoilers. He's getting spoilers. No. Okay. Let's check out Temporary Wilds. Scary. Yeah. I guess we should go and try to some Publix to tourists. Yeah. Let's go. Guys, we need to find out how to open the door. We need to find out how to open the door. Yeah, I'm the old friend Huggy Wuggy. Yeah, I'm here. Old friend Huggy Wuggy me.
Hey, do you need a key?
Retract this fight.
Huggy, behind you. keyhole.
Yeah, they also
What?
have trapped wood.
Locked door, locked
What is
door.
I need a key, I
Oh,
need a
there
key.
it is.
Can you
There's a
paint the
keyhole
key?
dispenser.
Come here. No, you can't, but I'll help you get
Yeah,
one.
so that's
Stand
where
right here. Right here, okay? Oh,
Wait, do you own the keys? Or have
Stand right
the
here.
dispenser? No, you have to.
Stand right
so
here,
basically,
okay?
if you go around in that machine, it'll drop a key. There's also a secret area in the middle of the machine. Let me open it.
there. Go. It's right there, you idiot.
What's this do?
Oh no, help me! Oh,
Where do I
Press
go
the
to
button
use
down there.
yippee! Oh,
You can go down here to use it.
Thanks.
How do you go down it? There's a secret trapdoor. You have to find a wireless wireless trapdoor.
Oh, wait, look at this door. Yo. What's in this?
Wait, can you come up here?
Ford! Stop, Ford!
Yeah, I can. I love this lab.
Oh, it's my test tube.
How do we get out?
It's already the best lab out of all of them.
Yeah.
It's the lab. Bro, I'm literally in lab right now. Bro, I'm in lab.
What?
Yeah, I didn't have much.
Wait, so this is the new, like, thing? This is the new, like,
Yeah, I don't know what the biome's called, but it's some kind of biome.
I'd say they should call it facility biome.
Yeah,
Then
come here.
Brent's
Come here.
facility map is going
Goodbye
good.
then.
I mean, no, wait, no. Too bad. I
Watch
opened the
this.
door.
There's a death run.
Point. Two.
Snap. So this is the control for the death run. I'm gonna get in the death run. How do I do that again?
Point. Key. Here you go. Your very own white key.
What?
Never mind that.
And then you press that white
Come on,
button.
yo!
Then you press the white button in the control
What's up
room,
here? Let's check over here.
And then you drop the key. And now you just got it stuck in here. Good job.
Ford,
You just dropped this key.
But that just doesn't look right.
Oh, it's just like this.
no TV.
Wait, there's another key area. Right here.
All right, this is one of the best updates ever, and nobody can deny that.